Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to refill the Stihl AutoCut C5-2 trimmer head on your trimmer. And today I'm doing this on the Stihl FS38 trimmer, but you will find the same head on a lot of other grass trimmers. And here's what the Stihl AutoCut C5-2 trimmer head looks like. Now to refill this head, you don't need to take it off the machine and you don't even need to take this apart. What you have to do first though is remove any old line. And first of all, the line in this trimmer, whoever put it in, it's too big. This is the 0.95 thousandths of an inch line. You should be using the 0.080 thousandths of an inch line. It's a bit smaller. Now to make it easier to remove the old line, what you need to do is line up the arrows here on the inner part and the outer part. Now once you've lined up the arrows, the line should come out by just pulling. If it does not, then what you need to do is hold the head at the bottom and unscrew the knob here. If you cannot undo it by hand, you can use a large flat screwdriver and unscrew it. So what you need to do is pull this out, get the old line out. Now what you need to do is put the part back in, line up the arrows on the inner part to the arrow on the outer part of the trimmer head. So you'll see it at the top and the bottom. Now if you don't line up the arrows, what's going to happen is you won't be able to get this knob back in. So if it's off, you go to put it in and it just does not want to go in. So again, I'm going to line up, get it in there, screw it in. Now this is the line I'll be using from Stihl. It's the 0.080 thousandths of an inch or 2.0 millimeters. Now what you want to do is take out about 10 feet from the roll, or 2 arms lengths. So I'll just do it like this quickly. So about 5 feet and another arm's length. So we are at about just over 10 feet here. You can also do it with a measuring tape as well. And now you can just snip it. And again, before installing the new line, just make sure that the arrows are lined up still, right here and there. And what you want to do now is insert one end of the line into the head, just like that, and insert the other end of the line into the other hole. And now when you put the string in, at some point, you won't be able to push it in anymore. If you notice the string just keeps going in the head, that means you haven't put it in right. It's not going in the small hole. So sometimes what I do is I just pull the string and I try to bend it back straight. And then when I go to put it in, it goes directly into the small hole that it should be in. And I've just taken the head apart quickly here to show you where the string is actually going when you insert it into that hole. It's actually going into this tiny hole here. So that's why when you push it in at some point, you just can't push it in anymore. If you didn't get it into the hole, what's happening is you're pushing it all the way inside the head, out of the hole, and it's not going to work. And here's what I mean. When I put it in, at some point, I just can't push it in anymore. That means it's in correctly. Now at this point, all you have to do is hold the head with one hand and turn this part here counterclockwise. You're going to feel the string going into the head. And what you want to do here is prevent all your string from getting tangled. So now when you have about this much string left, just snip it right down in the middle. Now the string should be sticking out about 6 to 8 inches. However, if you bring it up to the string cutter up top here, right on the guard, you can snip it right there. And do this at both ends. So you'll mostly find the C5-2 trimmer head on the smaller Stihl trimmers, and remember to use the correct line in it, the 0.080 thousandths of an inch, because if you use line that's bigger, it may not come out when you bump it when you're using the trimmer. Just something to remember, because I see that in the shop all the time. People put the biggest string in the trimmer head because they think it's better, while in reality it's not, because it gets all jammed up. So as you saw in the video, guys, it's not that hard to replace the string in it, and sometimes you don't even need to remove the head to do that unless you've got old string in there that you can't get out. And again, make sure to get the old string out because it can mess up the installation of the new string. Thanks again for watching, guys. If my video helped you, please like it and share it, and make sure you're subscribed. Have a great day.